Hey guys, this is Ekansh and you're watching Anyhow Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you that what you will find inside this true wireless earbud. Basically, I'm gonna show you the internal circuitry of this true wireless earbud. Here you can see that there is no physical button over there. Here is only a capacitive touch button. So we will find out how it works from inside. So without any delay, let's open this earbud. So it's a cheap earphone, so very easy to open. So it's open now, and here you can see the light is blinking. It's the notification light, and here you can see there is a copper strip. It's for the better conduction of the static electricity or for the conduction of your touch. And here you can see a button like thing like this. So this is the button which senses the static electricity from your finger and respond accordingly. Here you can see the antenna, the notification light. Here's the antenna, notification light, and microphone, and the battery. And these two wires are for the charging. Yeah, these two wires are for charging. And here you can see a magnet. I hope you guys are able to see the magnet. Here is the chipset, the processor of this earbud.